Hello traders. Today we're introducing the latest update to our Excel ProTrading Analytics template, the Prop Firm Compliance Checker. This new feature allows you to evaluate whether your trading strategy, expert advisor, or signal can realistically pass a prop firm challenge. It automatically analyzes the trading history and compares it against key prop firm rules, including profit targets, maximum drawdown, daily drawdown, minimum trading days, trading period limits, and consistency requirements. This feature is extremely easy to use. 1 click, 1 second is all it takes to check the compliance of any trading history. We've added 2 dedicated tables and 2 separate logic engines to analyze both 1-step and 2-step prop firm challenges. In our example, we use the 5 airs and FTMO with their official rules already configured. You're not limited to these firms. You can analyze any prop firm or challenge by simply filling in the rules and clicking check. You'll instantly receive clear pass/fail results with detailed explanations, allowing you to see exactly which rules are respected, which ones are violated, and why. All statistics are taken from the dashboard. The capital is scaled from the original balance shown in the dashboard to the starting balance entered for the challenge, and the profit targets and performance metrics are projected proportionally to the new challenge capital. For 2-step challenges, the total required performance is calculated by adding the Phase 1 profit target to the Phase 2 profit target, while respecting the same maximum drawdown and daily drawdown limits throughout both phases. Successfully passing both phases without violating these risk rules indicates strong strategy robustness and disciplined risk management, which is a key sign of good overall performance. Many prop firms explicitly prohibit high-risk or gambling-style strategies, such as martingale, grid averaging, or aggressive recovery systems. Since our template already includes a suspect strategy detection engine in the dashboard, any expert advisor or signal that is flagged as using these techniques is automatically considered non-compliant with prop firm rules. In such cases, the strategy fails the prop firm challenge by default, even before running the compliance check. This is because passing the numerical rules alone is not enough. Prop firms actively monitor trading behavior, and strategies using forbidden methods typically receive warnings or immediate challenge failure emails, even if profit targets are reached. Now, all you need to do is fill in the prop firm rules and click Run Compliance Check. In our example, the trading history fails the 5 airs challenge. The main reason is that the maximum daily drawdown rule was violated. As you can see, this prop firm enforces very strict risk limits, a 6% maximum total drawdown and only 3% daily drawdown, with a 10% profit target in a single phase. On the other hand, FTMO offers more flexibility on drawdown, allowing 10% maximum drawdown and 5% daily drawdown, but the challenge is split into 2 phases, each with its own profit target and conditions. The trading history fails the FTMO challenge. The main reason again is that the maximum daily drawdown rule was violated. The daily DD exceeded 3 times, 5% is the max daily drawdown allowed, but we hiked a max of 7.4%. The other rules are passed, so we get a 80% score, so we need to cut loss and be more attention to daily loss limit. Let's run another prop firm compliance check, but this time using the trading history of our client, Jeremy. We'll apply the same prop firm rules and see whether his strategy is able to pass both challenges. As we can see, he successfully passed the 5 airs 1-step challenge, with all rules fully respected, including the consistency rule. A 10% consistency limit means that the best single trade must not exceed 10% of the total profit target. Some prop firms allow up to 30%, but if one trade exceeds this threshold, it may be considered luck-based or excessively risky. That's why traders are usually required to open and close minimal risk trades and to respect the minimum number of trading days, ensuring that performance comes from a stable and controlled strategy, not from one oversized position. Even the FTMO 2-step challenge was passed successfully, with a total required profit of 15%, split into 10% for Phase 1, challenge, and 5% for Phase 2 verification, all while respecting the rules. What if we have 100% as a profit target? Of course the challenge must fail because the target not reached. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.